Welcome to Taming Python tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about while statement for looping in Python. While statement is used to run code again and again until a specified condition is satisfied. Let's see an example here. Here, I've got a variable x equal to 1 and I've written a while statement here. In this while statement, I've written while space and I've written an expression to be evaluated. And this while loop will run until this expression is true. The code which will be run by the while loop will be the block nested inside it. You can see these two statements are nested with a tab under this while. So these two lines will be the code block of while. So what happens here is till x is less than or equal to 10, this code will be running. And you can see here x equal to 1 and I'm incrementing x in each loop. And I'm checking whether x is less than 10 or not. So what happens here is in the first loop I'll get printed 1 hello world and then x is incremented and then it is checked x is 2 and it's still less than or equal to 10. So 2 hello world and then it will be printing till 10 and when x equal to 10 it will be printing print hello world and then x will be 11 and when it is compared here x is 11 which is not less than or equal to 10. So this statement is false and while loop is exited. So this is how while loop works. Let's get started with coding. I'll take a blank folder. I'm going to open it with Visual Studio Code. I'm going to create a new file using this new file icon. I'm going to name it like example.py. Alright, my file is created. Now let's write while loop. So I'll write the same example. I'll take x equal to 1 and then I'll write the while loop while space x less than or equal to 10, this is the condition, and then I am writing the statements inside this. I will write print alright, we are done. I am saving it Control S. I will run it with the play button on the top. You can see while loop has executed 10 times and at the end we have got the execution complete printing. Now we'll use a keyword break to break a while loop in the middle. So let us see this example. Here I am writing the same while loop but when x equal to 4 I am breaking it. That means it will not check this truth statement at all. It will come out of the while loop abruptly. So let's try to implement it in our code. I'll just write if x equal to 5, I'll write break. Now I'm saving it. Now what happens is when x equal to 5, this code will be broken out of the while loop. So let's run this. You can see we have printed only 5 iterations even though the statement here is x less than or equal to 10. Since we have used the break at 5th iteration, the while loop will be broken and the execution will pass to the next statement and that's why you got execution complete. So that was the break keyword while using a while statement. Now let's talk about a next keyword called continue, through which you can skip an iteration and continue with the next iteration. You can see the example here. Here what I am doing is when x equal to 4 I am saying continue. That means the code block below this continue statement will be skipped for only this iteration. So what you can see in the output is till x equal to 3 you got it printed hello world, but when x equal to 4 I just executed continue. That means this will be skipped and next iteration will be continuing. That's why you got next number as 5. The 4th iteration was skipped. So let's try to implement it in our code. Alright, I am saving it and I am running it. You can see the 6th iteration was skipped because I have kept when x equal to 6 continue. One more thing you would have noticed that I have kept the incrementing statement at the top because if I would have kept x equal to x plus 1 below the continue, it would never have been executed and x would always have been 6 and this loop would have run infinitely. So this is one caution you have to take while writing while statement, that the truth statement, if it is true all the time, this loop will be running infinitely. So you have to take care of infinite loops while writing while statements in your Python code. I've written a blog post on how to use while statement for looping in Python. You can see the link in the description of this video. I've also written examples so that you can practice this tutorial. I've also mentioned the links for the skills required to understand the code in this tutorial. So be sure to check out the blog post on this tutorial. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.